Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm bizforkzy. I know it's quite sudden to ask you, but what do you think about software engineer jobs? Does it sound fun to you or hard? I think for those who have worked as a software engineer, we'll answer to this question by saying hard. Recently, I often see the ads about online programming courses. It's like, you can become a software engineer for just 1 month. No computer background is required. I don't say it's a false advertisement, but I think it's missing some information. In reality, it's never easy to become a software engineer from zero, because I was also one of them. So on today's video, what I'm gonna talk about is the dark side of software engineer, why I want to quit my programming job. So the first reason why I want to quit my programming job is lots of urgent issues. When I joined the first project, I was using GitHub to manage project tasks. GitHub is like multi-purpose services to manage source code versioning and project tasks. And we can set the priority for tasks like low, normal, high, urgent. And when I was working on the project, I got lots of tickets with urgent issues. Usually, we set urgent status only when the bug caused serious impact for the services, like crashing or blocking fundamental features. But when I check the ticket, it's just like a small requirement like removing quotation mark at the end of the sentence or just a few inch slide for the title text, but they are tagged as urgent. It really makes us confused, like which one we should be focusing on now. When I see the tons of tickets with red colors, and I feel like I want to switch off my computer and also my brain. Next, lots of comments on pull request. Pull request is like code review request to other developer to check the code I write is okay or not. After we get okay, we can release the feature to production environment. And this pull request is really hard for me because I've got hundreds of comments on it. Imagine that you write an essay, and if your teacher returns it to you with hundreds of comments, it's gonna be killing you, right? The same principle. It's really hard to modify everything one by one. But this is quite important step to keep code quality. The more you fix the code, the more your code will be clean and highly maintained. Next, I can't understand. On the first year when I became software engineer, I couldn't understand source code. Of course, I did some trainings and online programming courses, but it turned out that the real project is totally different. There are lots of codes and files and unfamiliar frameworks and linking with multiple different systems, and it wasn't easy to understand how they communicate and what's happening inside. It's embarrassing to confess, but I couldn't understand the process. Even though I spent more than 2 weeks, I was really useless. In order to change the situation, I always studied programming around 12 a.m., but still, I couldn't write a code. Because we can't write codes without understanding. At that moment, I was so stressed out and felt lots of pressures. But when I read source code more and got code reviewed by senpai, I'm getting the applications more and I can start working on the actual tasks from small to large. I know at the beginning everything is super hard, but everyone starts with noob and become pro, so no need to be depressed. That's what I want to say on my video today. So that's it for today's video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and also put the thumb button. See you in the next video. Goodbye.